Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing video is coming because today I'm here at the office and I'm kind of by myself, so I'm just gonna do you guys another unboxing video. This one is a tech, it's kind of tech, is it tech? I think it's tech video, and is last time you remember I did a video on unboxing the Rode microphone, and it was a fail because I tried it and it didn't work. And the thing is, I think they gave me two of the microphone and only one of them works, so I have to return it back to Amazon. And this time I bought another brand of the microphone, so I'm gonna unbox it and try it today, try it now, and then we have to make it fast. My boss is gonna come back anytime soon, so let's do it now. Let me grab the box. Okay, so this is the box. It is called, let me have this flipping. Oh no. Okay, this is the new microphone that I'm gonna try. I want this. It's called HOLLYLAND. You guys see that I'm looking at the door because my boss is gonna go back soon, and I don't want them to see this, so let's do it fast. This called HOLLYLAND, and it's kind of like a smaller version of the Rode microphone, and it's a little bit smaller, I think, but it give you a set of three things. It's two microphone and one transmitter. So, and it's come in a different color, but I choose a black one, so in case you wear something with it, it's not easy to see. Okay, let's open it now. I'm gonna tear it apart. Okay, so it's come with the box. I have a scissors. Okay, I'm opening it now. Wow, so instead of giving you everything separately, like the Rode, this time they really impressed me with the whole box. You look at the case to put everything in here, so things are not falling apart. How cute is this? It's like a matte texture fabric cover, and cover outside a plastic case, so it's like a zipper. See? Oh wow. Oops, I dropped something. So in here they give you, the first thing that dropped on my table on my desk is these two little bomb is to put on top of the microphone, so it's filter out, I think it's filter out noises or soften your voice. I don't know, I never tried it before, so I don't really know. And next is the main thing, the microphone. So it's come in a little box like this, and it's like a little cute little thing. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Oh, yellow is my color. So you will have one transmitter in the middle and two microphones outside, so you can have the clip-on microphone, and it shows you the battery life in front, so it's kind of cool. Inside, beside that, you still have the, wow, a different, like a compartment, so to put the charger on. So these are the charger for the microphone, and there's a connector for your camera. Wow, I like this one. And then there's a manual. so you can see, read instruction and start using it. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, a card, like a note card. Okay. Oh, so you have a little quick guide. You can start using. Pop this thing in and start using it. Okay. Oh, so I just figured out this is not only the case for the microphone and the transmitter, it's the charging case. Look how convenient is that. You don't have to, like last time I showed you the Rode box. It doesn't have the charging case and it's not giving you anything. It's just like it's give you a little pouch. But this one is a charging case and you don't have to do it separately. You can just plug in one and it's charged for everything. That's super cool. So the transmitter is a little bit bigger and it's in the middle. The two microphone is outside and it looks like it's fully charged. Wow. Okay, so I guess we can start using it now. Okay, so let's see what we have here. It has a little, just a little, it's like as big as my finger right here. And it said, I think you have to so I'm reading the instruction right now, okay? It's ready to use. What is ready to use? I don't even know how I can do this. But you guys can see this is quite small. The Rode microphone is like a little bit square and it's like twice the size of this. So how tiny. Let's try if like it's clip easily onto your shirt, any type of shirt, so you can talk over really nicely. Wow, I kind of like really like the design of this already. So I think I'm gonna figure this stuff out and try it on one of the later video, the newer video I'm gonna do upcoming day or soon, and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. But from the look of it, it's really portable. So you see it by the palm of my hand, and it's like you can carry this around no problem. It's put in your pocket, put in your purse or your working bag, and then you're ready to go, because it looks like it said you just take this out and when the light turn blue, it's already ready. You see it's always blue, it's blinking. So I guess you just kind of connect it to a camera, your iPhone or any kind of camera that you can connect, and then you can start using it. So a plus for this. Okay, I'm gonna really try this out one of the soon video, and then I'll let you guys know if it's really work. It's easier to use it's easier than the Rode that I tried and I have to return. Okay, so I think the unbox video already come to an end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll try this for sure. Looks cute. Bye bye.